Welcome to Cruise Master by Vehicle Components Camper Trailer of the Year. We've brought 25 of Australia's best camper trailers to a beautiful section of northern New South Wales rainforest and recruited the country's most experienced judges to run their eyes over them. Let's see how it goes. With attention to detail a priority, and with 50 years of continuous design and refinement input from their customers, the Cub Frontier is a spacious and comfortable home away from home for 4 large adults on any off-road adventurous quest. If you want true blue and you love a forward fold camper, the Cub Frontier is the only one fully manufactured in Australia. With ample storage throughout, a 75-litre fridge slide out, a wax converter's dyno-proof canvas awning and tent, a 3-burner kitchen slide out, the Frontier has all you need for a comfortable setup, but it's inside where it really stands out. In here, we have a queen-size pocket spring mattress and this clever manoeuvrable dining table, which swivels to suit your needs, and also collapses to form an additional large sleeping area. But let's hear what the judges have to say. The Cub Frontier struck me as being a very luxurious, family-orientated camper van. What did you think?
It balances that fine line between comfort and practicality really well. It's super lightweight, super quick to set up, but you still get the lounge area, the large bed that you're used to with most forward fold campers. I just spent 2 weeks lugging this thing around the Cape, and the worst I did was a couple of scratches, and that's probably my fault more than the camper.
It all just pops up to attention as soon as you get that front over, and it goes over very easily, and the winch works well. And the whole tent just pops up to attention immediately, which is just the most innovative thing in forward folds to me in a long, long time, because they can be a pain to put up.
I think it's a great, really capable camper trailer. Cub obviously has a long reputation as being a reputable Aussie manufacturer, and this camper is true to that. And it comes with 2 sort of portable LED strip lights, so there's no real lighting at the bed area, there's no bedside reading lamps. Yeah, that's an area for improvement. Also, sitting around the dinette area in there, what I noticed was that the cushions in that area were more comfortable than any other forward fold that we've tested at Camper Trailer of the Year, so I think that's a win.
I love that it's got a lovely little drawer that you can pull out that your battery sits on. So for accessing that battery, you've got to replace batteries or fiddle with the electronics for any reason. It's all there, just sits neatly in front of you at a nice height. I thought the lightweight at 1,200 kilograms makes it 200 or 300 kilos, and even as much as 400 kilos lighter than the imported camper trailers. They've thought out a lot of the problems with forward fold designs, and it's all Australian made, and I love that.
The lighter it is, the better it is off-road. You can deal with size, you can deal with not perfect suspension. If it's lightweight, it's going to be easy.